If you're looking for a hands-on career and are interested in technology and robotics, a degree in applied engineering technology provides a broad range of skills and can lead you down an exciting career path. The Applied Engineering Technology degree is a good degree to get for a wide variety of skill sets. We have two options at this point. One is industrial and manufacturing. You're going to learn a little bit about welding, machining, as well as your engineering technology skills. The other option of mechatronics, they give you courses such as digital electronics, analog electronics, dealing with program logic controllers. A large portion of my students are actually working as apprentices through Apprenticeship 321 here at Gaston College, getting the related instruction here. There is a huge demand for this particular field. We have companies calling me all the time asking, do you have any students in this particular field? We're looking for someone. Pay range for this particular operation can go from your low 20s on up to mid to high $30 per hour. Students get a lot of hands-on training in this program where you're going to be working with pneumatics and hydraulics and then robotics. It goes from the really simple to the more complicated of robotic program. Gain the skills and education you need to help drive tomorrow's industries in the Applied Engineering Technology program at Gaston College.